In the relentless currents of modern life, we often find ourselves adrift, stressed, anxious, and disconnected. But what if there was a way to find an anchor, a steady point in the swirling chaos? We chase deadlines, juggle responsibilities, and our minds race with endless to-do lists. This constant push, this relentless activity can leave us feeling scattered, overwhelmed, and ungrounded. So, what exactly is grounding in energetic circles? Think of it as reconnecting your personal energy to the vast, stable energy of the Earth itself. It's about plugging yourself back into the planet, creating a profound sense of safety and stability. Just like a tree needs deep roots to stand firm against any storm, we too need our energetic roots to thrive. The benefits are profound. When you're grounded, you experience stability, emotional centering, and mental clarity. It's the antidote to feeling easily swayed, to increased stress and anxiety, and to that frustrating inability to focus. Imagine navigating your day with a calm demeanor, with a clear mind, and with a quiet confidence that allows you to face anything. But how do you know if you need grounding? The signs are often subtle, yet impactful. Do you feel anxious without a clear reason? Are you experiencing sudden bouts of fatigue or erratic nervous system behavior? Perhaps you find yourself easily distracted, prone to emotional outbursts, or struggling to process intense emotions. These are all whispers from your energetic self, signaling a need to reconnect. In energetic work, like crystal healing, grounding is not just beneficial, it's essential. It's the very foundation of energetic balance, allowing excess energy to be released safely back to the earth. Now, let's try a quick grounding meditation to experience this for yourself. Find a comfortable seated position, or if you can, stand with your feet flat on the floor. Hold a grounding stone if you have one. Black tourmaline, smoky quartz, or hematite are excellent choices. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in, feeling your belly expand, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Continue with this diaphragmatic breathing, feeling your body relax with each breath. Now, visualize thick, powerful roots sprouting from the soles of your feet and from the base of your spine, your root chakra. See these roots extending downwards deep into the earth, past layers of soil and rock, reaching the very core of the planet. With each inhale, feel the earth's stable, nurturing energy rising up through these roots, filling you with calm and strength. With each exhale, visualize any tension, stress, or scattered energy flowing down your roots, deep into the earth, where it is neutralized. Feel yourself becoming firmly rooted, secure, and steady. When you feel a sense of groundedness, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. This simple practice can be a powerful tool to bring you back to center, anytime, anywhere. By grounding yourself, you cultivate an inner sanctuary of peace and stability, allowing you to move through life with greater clarity, confidence, and calm. Find your anchor within and feel the difference. If this journey of self-discovery resonated with you, follow Amusings for more stories to help you reclaim your light.